what's up? This is Solo, your hip hop newcomer of the year, 2014. On a lazy day, you'll find me in studio listening back to all material. Three things I can't live without: my family, my girlfriend, my music. Actually, Bob Marley and Get Funky is my all-time jam. I'm not kidding. My back tattoo is actually, it's almost like a shrine to a cousin of mine who passed away. Yeah. So hence it says Lana on top of that. That was his name. Everything. Whatever you make it. Important. Honest. I think it's very important for me to be known as an all-round musician. I think I'm definitely known as a writer. I want to be known as an all-round musician.
Stardust every day. Be a star.
It's your boy Solo once again. Shout out to you.